So Cameron, what do you think about the gumball machine?
It's broken in pieces.
What do you think about the gumball machine? What do you think about the gumball machine?
I think it's dirty. Cameron, stop before you break it.
This looks like a fish tank.
This looks like a head thing.
Cameron, there's sticky stuff on that. Okay, there used to be old gumballs in this. You can see them in the trash. But now we have almost like 100. Almost 100 new gumballs. We have painters, double bubble birthday cake. Sorry if you can't hear me. Just regular double bubble gumballs. Another regular. Cherry and watermelon and very cherry. There's only one of them that isn't double bubble. Mommy, there's only one pack that is not the double bubble kind.
Wait, Cameron.
There's
not dry yet.
There's one that is.
Not dry yet.
There's one that is painters gumballs, and the rest of them are double bubble.
We get the doubles.
So. Okay, this looks like a little stand you would put a toy on, then you would just put it in your room. Or something else, like, Cameron? On the machine? Cameron, sit there.
No.
Sit on it.
Okay, let me see this piece.
Sit on it.
No.
I'm going to put it back together.
Sit on it. Sit on it.
Don't tell him to sit on it. He's going to break it.
Okay, don't sit on it. And then we do this right here. And then boom! Cameron, I fixed the gumball machine. It's a party with Cameron tonight.
Party, pop.
Okay, I'm gonna pause recording until we get this gumball machine ready, which filled with gumballs. How do we even put this together
Give me
again?
those pieces over there.
The gumballs?
The other pieces to the gumball.
Those are Dad's.
Oh, I got to put it on.
So I think you would put that red piece on this gray
Alright, watch
piece.
out.
I'm going to put it.
Hold on, I got to make sure I'm putting it together right. Okay.
Me too.
My phone's 100%.
What?
I was just checking because last time I recorded a video, my phone was like 15%, so I had to end the video quickly.
I'm putting this inside.
Oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, oh shoot, we're doing it. We're doing a gumball machine assembly.
Okay, I'm putting this back.
Hold on.
Keep it on with me.
Wow, it's going to be tall if you add that. That was a loud noise.
Make you want to do that again.
Let me read your shirt.
Let me see this.
Don't hate
hold it.
Let me
Put
read,
it on then.
Let me read your shirt. Don't hate me
Hold on.
just because I'm a little cool.
Okay,
that doesn't.
on.
Oh, is that supposed to be cool?
I have to see where
Okay.
the freak this goes.
Yeah. See how this thing. You see how this thing works. How do you do this?
Rag and orange.
I mean,
Rag and red. Midnight black.
And let me put it back
Bug
on.
and bang and blue. Grip and green. And epic orange. Okay, now I read them. Let's pour them in.
I think that's enough for it.
Hold on, I got to figure out how it goes.
How do I do that?
Wait, I don't even know if this is how it freaking goes.
Yeah, it is.
Let me see.
Yeah, that is the premise. See, it goes there.
Okay, now.
You know what this reminds me of?
Do I not have another one in rubber seals?
No.
This must be the one that goes on the glass. Hold on. No, it's right here.
You know what? Recording like the rest of your body, just not your head, reminds me of that that girl on the Powerpuff Girls where you
Alright.
only see
Now.
her hair, but you don't see her head, like her face. You know what I'm talking about? You know that girl on Powerpuff Girls? Where you only see her, like, her neck down. Where you only see her
I
neck
can't
down.
listen to both of y'all at the same time.
I'm recording a YouTube video, so. Where's the screw?
Oh, cool. I don't know if that rubber seal went here or if it went down there.
I'm pretty sure it went there, but it's okay. We already did that.
No, wait, we have to put the gumballs in.
Okay, yeah, let's try it out.
I want to put painters. Hold on, let me stop recording. Actually,
Okay, I just want to make sure I got it working right, so hold
I'm
on.
gonna put this one in.
Oh, it's falling out. Something ain't right.
yay!
Something ain't right.
Hold on.
Okay, hold on. Don't put them in.
What is this time?
Watermelon and cherry.
Give me a quarter.
What is this?
Mommy, you might be a little on the camera, but it's okay. Smell this.
Okay, that's right. Alright, dump them in. Here, you want to dump a bag? Okay, just one out. Here.
You keep leaving the clock in the wrong place.
Okay,
So,
dump them in, Cameron.
I'm
Yeah.
doing birthday cake.
I don't think I got enough to fill it up.
This is a loud video.
I am gonna dump some
Look,
in.
there's colors like watermelon. You see what I just did there?
Now dump the last bag of the little one.
I'm gonna do it.
Cameron can do it because he's a little one.
Okay, they're
Get
all
it?
done. They're all done.
Oh.
Dump them, Cam. I dumped some. Did we get all the ones behind you?
Oh,
Oh, look, I almost got enough to fill it up, kind of.
maybe we'll need to get those tiny
Here you
bits.
go.
Okay.
We have so many gumballs.
Like,
We have so many gumballs.
When they dollar, make you holler.
I'm recording a YouTube video
Where'd
right
you
now.
get all these?
Out of
They're at the
there.
bottom of the machine.
Some was in here, some was out.
Okay, let's insert the quarter.
Oh.
Twist it.
Oh my God, they're all falling out.
Here you go.
The
Those
little
ones.
ones are gonna come out multiple. What do I do with my fucking phone?
Who wants a gumball? I'm taking that tiny blue one and that tiny purple one.
I'm taking that tiny. Shut up.
Look at my own.
Bye guys, subscribe to the video. Subscribe to the channel and like the video. Bye.